this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2014 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine, has the EcoBoost engine as well. We got a dual exhaust, backup camera, we got roof rails, silver and black accents. We got those dual mirrors here, and moving to the front real quick, we do get that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You get cargo cubbies, hooks, and doodads to hold your gear down. You can even get a little light and a 12-volt, and you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. And we do get a nice little cargo privacy screen or tonneau cover with storage underneath with your spare tire. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does heat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpeted floor mats, carpeted interior, adjustable rear seats. We got some storage and 110-volt outlet, and of course we can pull this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we will have the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, but they do have little seat covers on them. We got manual driver seat and passenger. We got some storage there, plenty of storage in the door, lights, hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 114,562 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screens for here, where you can go for your different radio settings, all that jazz. Got your voice, volume, playback, play forward, phone, cruise control, and toggle for your screen up here, which you can then go through trip 1 and 2, information about the vehicle, and your settings. To remember, we got cup holders, storage, you got 12-volt and heated seats, gear select, got your airbag button with rear heating window, you got your climate controls just right there as well, storage in the glove compartment with storage below, got your radio, Sirius XM, media, phone, menu, got some nice, your CD, number keypad here, toggle for your screen as well, which you can go for different things, such as your FM, AM, all that jazz. We got your storage below, you can lock your vehicle from here as well, hazards, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA86839B, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.